Hi everyone, I'm today in Lamai, right in the front of the Lamai Food Market, which is the local market for in Lamai area, like the one we saw in my last video in Bangkok. So it's a quite busy place because many Thai people are coming here. What I like about this market is you have a lot of food sellers. A lot of food sellers, but not only, you can also buy your vegetables and other things in the back over there, but all the phone sellers are food sellers. So it's especially busy in midday for lunchtime, and of course after 5:30 p.m. until 7:30 when all the people come to buy food. As you know, many Thai people don't like to make food at home and they prefer to buy it directly and don't lose time to make food. And so right here, it's all the food sellers with some skewers, some curry. Some of them are already closed, but the big part of them are still open. And I love สวัสดีครับจะเอาซัมไหนครับข้าวเหนียวด้วยครับ It's my favorite skewer sellers, the Muping. So it's pork skewer. They are selling it 10 baht each, and of course you have some sticky rice, the khao niao. I pay now, so I took 3 skewers and 1 sticky rice, and it's 40 baht. ขอบคุณมากครับ So if you need any skewer, you can come to Lamai, to this shop. They are really nice and it's really good. And so there is also one restaurant right here where you can have shake for like 30 baht or 40 baht, I'm not sure, but it's quite cheap and the foods are really good. So in the market you have the food sellers here where you can buy stuff like this, and you have also a restaurant, traditional Thai restaurant, where you can have your lunch. Yeah, so all this part, and then like I told you, all the back part is more like a groceries store, because you can buy sauce, also fruits, so many things for the temple, you know. Because people like to make offers at the temple, and then you can buy everything like flowers here. And you have also meat, pork, chicken, and vegetables, green one, and also fishes, and different kind of fishes, but with many flies too. Shrimp, radicchio, อันนี้จานละ100 บาทใช่ไหมครับ เป็นกี่กรัม
400 กรัมค่ะ
400 กรัมเป็นมันนี้ใช่ไหมครับ
อันนี้เท่ากันค่ะ อันนี้
เท่ากัน
ราคา250
นี่เป็นกิโลละใช่ไหมครับ
250
Yeah, you can buy by kilo or one plate for 100 baht of 400 grams. They are quite big. Yeah, so all the back part of the market is like kind of groceries. Everything you need to cook, you can find it here. Like spices, sauce. And yeah, it's really busy at lunchtime, you know, like between 12 and 2 p.m. or around 5:30 to 7. So if you want to come to have a look on market in general in Thailand, a local market, I mean, the best time is lunchtime or evening time. Food sellers, again vegetable on the left. And even clothes shop right over there. And if you don't want to cook, it's not a problem. You can buy food already prepared and ready to eat directly at the food sellers in the front of the market. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you the Lamai market. This is all curry soup, skewers, but I'm not a big fan of this one because they are like yeah, from the factory, you know. They are not fresh one. And because of COVID-19, you have also temperature check right here and some sanitary gel, but nobody use it really. Nobody care. Yeah, and here, if you want to try also the Thai traditional dessert, this guy is selling some traditional Thai sweet. Mainly of them are made with coconut. And the food check for 30 baht. Alright guys, so it's that's it for today. So if you are around Lamai and you want to see a fresh local market, you can come to the Lamai Fresh Food Market, which is not far from the beach road where the hotels are, you know, so it's like 3 minutes walk from many hotels in Lamai. So that's quite nice. Anyway, in every area of Koh Samui you can find a local market. In Bang Rak, Chaweng, Lamai, Watanon, Namyang, Lipanoi, almost everywhere. And of course in Naton. Okay guys, please subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and see you on the next video. Bye.